Namaskar. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to drape this half sari. You can use this sari for your Bharatanatyam practice as well as for the short performances, whether it is on stage or in front of the camera.
So we need three things to wear this particular sari. First is this cotton thread, okay? Then the second one is blouse. Today, because I'm demonstrating, I'm wearing the t-shirt. And the third one is this downy or half sari, practice sari.
So now you will ask me that where can I buy this sari? So we have recently launched our own merchandise brand called Bhusha by Talaank. So you can go on our website and purchase the sari online. You will see different designs, different patterns, colors. So I'm going to link the website in the description box below as well as above my head on the left hand side. So you can click it and order it online for yourself. Also, if you feel that draping the sari is too much complicated for you, then you can actually order stitch sari, yes, customized stitch sari from our website online all over the world. So I'm going to talk about it in a bit. For that, watch the video until the end.
So what we are going to do is this particular string, we are going to tie around the waist like this, okay? Make sure that you don't wear it too much up here, like that. Then the shorter side on the left and the longer side on the right. Now what we are going to do, how we are going to measure. So the practice sari or the half sari, what I like to do is I wear exactly where my knee ends, okay? So that's my measurement basically. So when I'm going to take the height of the sari, it's not down here, but it is up where exactly my knee is ending, okay? Then I'm going to start tucking this in. Make sure this is all plain from inside. All right, then let's turn. I'm going to turn back to show you. Okay, this way. Now this long side, you're going to take a round like this and bring it to the right again. Now I'm going to start pleating this, okay, for our pallu. So what I like to do generally, I mentioned this in my dupatta video as well. Just make sure the pleats are ending exactly where your shoulder ends here. When it comes out, for the movement it becomes very odd, okay? So make sure that it ends exactly where your shoulder is ending. Now we are going to adjust the pallu. Now we are going to make it long enough that we can just take this side and tuck it inside, okay? You can make 2 rounds if you want to, but I like to do it only 1 round. All right, so see, check it first. Yeah, now this corner we are going to grab and bring it forward. So here, this is how it looks like. I'm just going to turn and show it to you. Okay, this is going to look like. Now this side, this particular border has to come right here and just bring this particular portion of the sari and just tuck it in like that, like we do it for the normal sari, regular sari. Yeah, this way. Okay, now start pleating this particular portion. So Generally, what I like to do is I like to secure this with a pen. But since I'm just showing it to you, I'm not going to do that. But you can make sure that it is secure enough. Also, some people do this particular part, they tuck it inside like this. Okay, here, bring it back. And now again, you will have to adjust the height of these pleats to your that inner part. Yeah, just hold it and just tuck it in. Again, adjust the pleats. And this portion, you can just make it plain and tuck it back here. Yeah, so it will be even. And see, try, sit in Aramandi position, try if it is comfortable for you. So if you think that this is too complicated, I have another option for you. So this is a stitched sari. So this is a better option for you if you don't want to go through that whole, tidying up and all of that. So this is a customized sari which we provide. If you are interested in buying this, just click the link in the description box below.
You can choose the sari from our website, provide us your measurements and get it stitched. We provide shipping all over the world. So visit our website Bhusha by Talaank today and order it for yourself. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.